Hi, second grade. So I am sitting here with the bear from our classroom that Elijah gave me for Valentine's Day. He sat behind my desk and I'm holding him because I'm going to read you a story about going on a bear hunt. Now, I don't know if you've seen it or if your parents have talked to you about it, but it's been all over different like Instagram and Facebook and all those things where people are going on bear hunts. Now, they're not going to look for an actual bear, but they're looking for stuffed animal bears that people are putting in their windows or sitting on their front porch or different things like that. And when they go for a bike ride or for a walk or just driving in the car, you can see bears in people's houses because they're putting it up there for kids to go on bear hunts. It's kind of a fun way for the community to all kind of pull together and give something exciting to look forward to. So for fun, if you guys want to go on a bear hunt when you're out walking around or on a bike ride, you can take a picture of the bear that you see and you can put it in our band app and we can share them, or you can email them to me and I'll share them. I just thought it would be a fun way, and I'm going to even show you where I'm going to put our bear. Okay, so we're going on a bear hunt and Michael's sitting right next to me. We're going to read the story together. Okay. All right, we're going on a bear hunt. You want to hold the bear? Okay. All right. Now you can just sit down with it. He doesn't have to be in the picture. We're going on a bear hunt, retold by Michael Rosen and illustrated by Helen Oxenberry. And I'll fold the book back a little bit so you can see it. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, grass. Long, wavy grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Walking through the long grass. Here they are again. The long, tall grass. Some of you may have heard this book before. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh no, a river, a deep, cold river. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Splish, splosh, splash, splosh, splish, splash. There they are going through the river. Look, you can see them even holding their shoes so they don't get wet. Even the dog's going through the river. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh no, mud, thick, oozy mud. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go, what do you think it is? Through it. Squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch, kind of like the sound mud makes when you stomp through it. There they are, walking through the mud. Did you see? Hey, that's a funny picture. Look, she's got mud all over her foot. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh no, a forest. A big, dark forest. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip as they walk through the forest. I haven't found a bear yet though. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh no, a snowstorm. A swirly whirly snowstorm. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. We're facing a lot of problems to find these bears. Hoo, woo, hoo, woo, hoo, woo, as they fight through the windy snowstorm. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh no, a cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Tip, toe, tip, toe, tip, toe. What's that? One shiny wet nose, two big furry ears, two big googly eyes. It's a bear! They finally found the bear! Quick! Back through the cave. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Back through the snowstorm. Hoo, woo, hoo, woo. Back through the forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Back through the mud. Squelch, squirt, squelch, squirt, squelch, squirch. Back through the river. Splash, splosh, splash, splosh, splash, splosh. Back through the grass. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Get to our front door. Open the door and go up the stairs. Oh no, we forgot to shut the door. Back down the stairs. Shut the door. Back up the stairs into the bedroom. Into the bed and under the covers. Phew, they had a long way to go. We are not going on a bear hunt again. She still has her stuffed animal bear though. And there's Mr. Bear walking back to his cave. The end. So now for our bear hunt, we're not gonna have to go through a snowstorm, I don't think. We're probably not gonna have to go through the mud or through the forest. But if you do have those complications, you know exactly how to get through them now, just like they did. So I'm gonna walk to where we're gonna put our bear. So here he is, he's coming with me. We're walking through my kitchen, because that's where I was reading it to you. Walking, walking, walking. Walking, walking, going all the way to my front door. We're going outside, and it is actually raining out here today. Still kind of, oh, it is pretty wet, see? All right, but luckily, we have a covered porch area right here, and I'm gonna show it to you. And we are gonna sit Mr. Bear right there on the swing. Do you guys see him? He's sitting next to my American flag pillow. So he's sitting here on the porch. So if you're ever at a house and you see a swing like that, now you're gonna know what my porch looks like. But you can come find the bear. So if you find any bears, I want you to let me know and share them with us so that we can all go on a bear hunt together. All right, guys, I love you. I hope you have fun with this. Bye.